Hey everyone, and welcome to Time Travelers Week 3 Deep Dive. What we're going to go ahead and do is click on the End Screen Sprite at the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and make sure you have the Code tab selected. So again, make sure you have the Code tab selected of the End Screen Sprite. And what you're looking for is a sprite or a block of code that begins with when green flag clicked, and then it says hide. If you have this, what you're going to then do is go to Control on the left hand side and grab forever and attach it to the bottom of hide. Then you're going to grab if then and put it inside of forever. After that, you'll go to operators and grab the equals operator and change it from 50 to 6. Go to variables and grab level and put that into the first bubble. After that, go to events and grab broadcast and change it to you win. And then you're going to grab another broadcast and place it underneath you win. Click on the drop down, select new message, and type stop. And then press OK. And then when you're all done, this is what the code should look like. So go ahead and pause video here and then resume the video when you guys are ready. Once you guys are done with the end screen sprite, we're going to go ahead and click on the knife sprite down at the bottom right hand corner. And we want to scroll down to where we see when I receive next level. And around this area, we want to drag in something from events. So we want to go to events and grab when I receive and drag it into this screen. And click the drop down and make it say stop. So we just want to place this when I receive stop right below the when I receive next level area. Then we want to go to looks and grab hide and attach it to when I receive stop. Then what we're going to go ahead and do is go to control and look for stop and drag it and place it right underneath hide and grab all and change it to this script. This is the block for the knife code, so make sure you guys go ahead and pause the video here and get this before moving on to the next step. Next, what we're going to go ahead and do is go to the dartboard sprite, and then go to somewhere in the white space. So let me zoom out, and I'm going to scroll down. And what I want to do is I want to go to events and grab when I receive and drag it into the game, place it down the white space, and then click the drop down and select stop. Once you guys do that, you guys are then going to go to looks and grab hide and attach it to when I receive stop. After that, you guys are then going to go to control and grab stop and attach it to the bottom, and then make sure it says all. Once you guys have done that, go ahead and inside the dartboard sprite, scroll up until you find the block of code that begins with when green flag is clicked. And we want to go to looks and grab show and attach it to the very bottom of when green flag clicked. Now, I don't mean the bottom of the code, I mean the bottom of that actual yellow when green flag clicked block. So it should say when green flag clicked, show, set size to 60%, and then so forth. Make sure you guys pause the video here and get this before going on to the next step. Next, what we're going to go ahead and do is click on the knife sprite and make sure we go to the code section as well. And we want to scroll up until we see when I receive start game. And we want to go to looks and we want to grab show and attach it right underneath when I receive start game and right before set size to 100%. Once you guys have completed all these steps, what you guys are going to go ahead and do is play your guys' game. So by doing that, click the green flag. Make sure you hit it twice to start and see the play button. Click on play. And what we want to do is test to make sure once you get to level 6, you win the game. See, now my you win screen has been triggered. So make sure that after level 6, your you win screen is triggered. And if it is, then you guys are good. And if your guys doesn't, go ahead and go back to the beginning of this video and make sure that you guys followed it correctly. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.